Here you have Zeke Yeager. In this video, I'll reproduce his hairstyle. Zeke, pasa ese video! Now here you can see how I'm cutting the perimeter. I'm going around the ear and then I cut a straight line going down the bottom. On the fourth season he's a lot older, and with a beard you normally look a little older. That's why I'm adding these other two pictures here so you can see how I look if you're a little younger. Here is the first one and the second picture. To start up the interior part of this haircut, I would use a horizontal parting. And Donnie and myself, we are growing our hair out. That's why you can see me leaving the back a little bit longer. You can tell that it was an undercut underneath, so you can see it was short underneath and longer on the top. So now I'm cutting a graduation from the bottom up to connect the bottom to the top. Here you can see how much I'm cutting using the French technique. I will continue doing vertical sections over the crest area to complete the graduation. The style I'm creating is a little bit shorter on the nape and longer on the top, because my son and Donnie didn't want to cut it too short. On the sides, I will cut a horizontal line using the point cutting technique, just above the ear. Zeke Yeager look is about 1 to 2 fingers shorter above the ear in most of the pictures. Create sharp angles and lines on the beard is fundamental to make it interesting and attractive. Keeping the hair shape under the line is critical. It's the way to go in my opinion. I will give it a shape and cut the crazy hairs using a clipper over comb. If you plan on doing this yourself, use a clippers with a desired guard. In this case, the number 405 will look great. Here in the iPad, you can see Andoni's hair growth journey for 2 years, from age 16 to 17. To cut the top area, I will project the hair at 90 degrees and I will cut it at the desired uniform length. On Zeke hairstyle, about 4 fingers on length, and Andoni about 8 because he's trying to grow it out. Continue using the same technique around the head to finish the whole interior section. To cut the bangs area, I will comb the hair forward and retouch the ends. On the case of Zeke hairstyle, the length should be 5 fingers, no 8 or 10 like Andoni's. I will dry the top of the hair using my fingers to maintain the volume and add texture, and the brush on the nape to make it straight. When your beard is at this length or shorter, oil is ideal to take care of your hair and skin. Thank you Andoni for participating in this video. You rock! This is Ángel del Solar, the Hair Bender.